Hey everyone, welcome back to Moto Travel, the channel where it's all about motorbike travel and adventure. Today, unfortunately, it's out of my studio. It's way too wet, too cold and absolutely horrible out there. So I thought, why not have a bit of a catch up in the studio? Hey everyone, welcome back. It's now 13 months since I'm here on YouTube and I have 1,300 subscribers. How about that? I'm extremely chuffed about that, so I want to send you my gratitude. Thank you very much for every bit of support you gave me over the last a year and a bit. So I thought I'd give you a heads up what's going on here at Moto Travel and what my plans are for the next, 11 months. So first of all, obviously, I want to do more travel. So this summer I booked a few trips. There will be trips to Germany, to Austria. Then I will maybe go Spain, maybe Morocco, maybe Portugal. But I keep that a bit tight at the moment because obviously I have to make my mind up. I also will be at some events. And that brings me to one thing in particular. As you all know, I'm German speaking and I will do some events and some videos for a company where I'm actually quite fond of. That is Lonerider. You know, I did a few reviews for the tent and stuff. And they asked me if I want to do some events for them and if I would like to do some videos. So I will do some events over in Germany for Lonerider, and obviously I will shoot some videos. So what that means is I will not do any Lonerider reviews on my channel. So I'll leave you a link to their channel in my comment section below, and I shall see you there. So that's one thing. When it comes to gear review, I want to get a little bit more into detail with my video and vlogging gear, how I process the files, how I store the files, and which camera I use. So my number one is still the Sony FDRX 3000. So I will make more videos about that specific camera and why I think it's still the best camera for motovloggers out there. Then obviously 360 cameras. I got a Insta360 1X. How I use it, why I use it, and why I don't use it that much. Then I have a GoPro 7, what at the moment is on my Pro Shot rig, what goes on my motocross helmet. So I want to give you more in and out about that camera. And what I want to do is as well give you a really good insight of how I use a GoPro 8 for my standard vlogging, i.e. speaking to camera and recording on site. So that is one of the things I really want to do and look forward to. Another big passion of mine is camping. And I'm one of these motorbike riders and motorbike travelers who prefer camping. It's just one of my things. And I thought I want to go through all my camping gear and show you what I use and how I use it. One interesting stuff I have is a flat pack cooking gear. That's my stove. That's a pot, a mug, or a plate for whatever way you want to look at it. So I do a review about that. That is really cool. And then obviously there is a few other things where I want to go into more details because people ask me all the time what stuff I'm using. And it's a bit of a tricky one because obviously we all have our personal needs to fulfill when it comes to comfort. And I'm a big one for cots and comfortable sleeping mats because in the end of the day, you know, has to be a bit of a holiday and not a punishment. So, but that is just my opinion and I want to share that with you. Another thing I would like to talk about is file management on trips. So if you're really into your photography and video production, I want to give you a few tips and tricks how you can successfully organize your files on a longer trip. And the other thing is, guys, I like to know from you what videos you want me to do. You know, more gear reviews, more travel reviews. Let me know in the comment section below and I will do my very best. Also follow me on Instagram, mototraveluk, direct message me, you know my Facebook, you know my website, it's all there. I love hearing from you because in the end of the day, that's what it's all about. We're all a big old travel community and we all know best. We all have our opinion, but in the end of the day, we all stick it out together and enjoying motor travel. And that's what it's all about. So guys, leave me your comments below. Let me know what I should do and what you want to see. And I do my utter best to accommodate that. Righty-ho guys, that's it for me today. Enough mumbling along. I just hope the weather clears up out there. We had now 2 weeks of atrocious weather out of the blue. I want to go on my bike. I want to go camping. So guys, until next time, whatever you do, ride safe. Bye.